Okay, here I am with another mystery box. This is the shoe mystery box, 15 pairs of shoes for $80. I haven't opened this yet. I'm gonna open it now. I haven't seen anything in this box before. I just took off my label. Okay, this is opened. And this box, this came from Phoenix, Arizona. I'm just gonna adjust it. So this isn't like flapping up, okay? And they gave me the tissue paper this time. Thank you, ThredUp. So I will reuse that. Very happy about that. First pair. I thought they were real Uggs. They're not. Let me just move this. Reorient this. Okay. Thought these were Uggs. These are not Uggs. They are Lamb. I'm not really familiar with this brand, but they are in very good condition and they appear to be a larger size. I don't know which size they are, but they look like a 10 to 12. So I'm gonna see. I don't think these are a good brand, but they are a bigger size and people are always looking for that. This is the second pair of shoes. This is Banana Republic. This is a heel. They are kind of scuffed, as you can see right over here on the front. But they don't appear to be broken. Everything seems to be in good condition. Again, these are a larger size. They are a size 10. And I'm always looking for larger sizes because those tend to do better. I really don't like 6s or 6.5. Anything smaller than that tends to do poorly for me. This is the same one, just a little bit of wear on the bottom. They do seem to be in okay condition overall. I think these will sell because they are larger. This is a good brand, Leffler Randall. I think they're known for their purses, but this one, I don't see anything wrong with it. There is a little bit of wear here on the strap, and there's some wear on the bottom, but these seem to be in, like, I think it got like wet at some point, but I think these are in decent condition, and I think they're like somebody would want to like put some work into these. Like if they want to take this to a cobbler, they would. I'm not really sure of the size. They look kind of big. Oh, they're a 9.5. They look bigger. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with these. These are nice. So overall, I'm actually surprised. This is an all right box. These are not that great. These are Brash, but they are big. Again, I'm happy. I'm getting these big sizes. This is an 11. Very happy about that. They seem to be in really good condition. Even though they are a cheaper brand, they are a bigger size and in good shape. So I'm really happy about that. So far so good. These look small. These are Deflex Comfort, and these are comfort shoes. They tend to do better on eBay. They have this thing here, which is gross. I cannot see the size right now. I can't see it, so I'm gonna have to look at that for later. They look like a 7 to 6.5 though. These look really sweet. See, they have this like cushion here. Oh, they're a 7.5. So actually that's not so bad. That's fine. And comfort shoes, they tend to do better on eBay. Ooh, Cole Haan. Happy to get these. Ooh, these are these really cute nude wedges. They do have some like wear here, unfortunately. They do look worn and like kind of stretched out, but I think the bottoms look really good. What's the size? They look like a 7. I cannot find the size. Oh, they are a size 7.5, so that is a good size. Can't get it to focus. Size 7.5. So that's actually the average woman's size in America is a 7.5. So that's good. Have boots. Size 8, which is a decent size. Nothing on the bottom. These are like, seem to be in okay condition. Oh, these are just Coldwater Creek. Okay, whatever. But they are a nice suede heeled boot. Trying to get that all in the picture. Really nice. Good condition, decent size. Nothing here is like really small, so I'm really happy about that. That like I'm not getting like a lot of 6.5s. And this is the other boot. They appear to be in really good condition. I just need to like clean it a little bit with like a brush and they'll be good to go. This box is better than my other box so far. Let's see, what is this? This is Naot, made in Israel. These are like leather sandals. They look to be in good condition. This brand I think is pretty expensive. They do have some wear in the leather, but like overall decent shape. I think these are more of like a comfort brand. They do run, they have like weird sizing because like, oh, this is a 7. So this is an okay size again. The other note, they have some, you know, just wear on this leather here, but I think that they'll sell okay. I am getting sandals, but that's fine. I'm not really looking for like winter shoes. These don't look good. These look like, oh, these are okay. These are just like Vince Camuto booties. Vince Camuto, and then like booty. They need to be definitely cleaned. And then the bottoms, I need to clean them, but these do seem like structurally all right. I don't see any issues with them. Other than they have to be cleaned. This is the other one, Vince Camuto. This box came like really quickly. I was like so surprised how fast I got it. I was expecting this like in 5 days. I did not expect to get this today. And then this one, oh, okay, this isn't bad. Dansko. If these are my size, I might keep them. They're very, this is a comfort line. They are a 38, so they are too small for me. But they do have some definite wear. They have like some discoloration here, like they're like darker here. So I don't know, but I think I'm still gonna sell them like as is to see how they do, because I know Dansko people like them. This is the other Dansko. It has the same problem of the discoloration on the front. So yeah, let's see. I don't know. I think somebody may still want them. These are just Blowfish. I think this is like a cheaper line. They're cute. They're like these little Converse style shoes, but they seem to be in good condition. I don't know the size. They are my size. I'll just keep them. I don't really care. Yeah, so whatever. Kind of a bum pair. But okay. This is the other pair of Blowfish. I'll just, you know, wash these. They're okay. And then I see some Keds right over here. Oh, these are like really lightweight. If these are my mother's size, I will give them to her, and they're too small. So I think I'm just gonna sell these on eBay. Probably not for a lot, but they are really nice, lightweight, decent shape. Just need to clean the bottoms. And only a few more. These are the same Keds. They seem larger than a 7.5, but they are really, really nice comfort shoes. And let's see. These aren't Hunter. This is just a Michael Kors. Okay, this is all right, but this is a bad size. This is only a 6.5. It's like a super high wedge. Yeah, this is okay, but you know, but they are in really good condition. I just need to clean the bottoms. Yeah, so this is I don't know about those, but this is the other one. They seem to be in okay condition. Like, it feels like the Phoenix place, they packed my shoes like more carefully than the Pennsylvania, because like everything seems to be in okay condition. Nothing got like scratched up or like moved around too much. Let's see, what is this? Not Hunter. I think these are just like generic. It doesn't say the brand. Made in China. So I don't know. These are just like some rain boots, but they are size 8, so they might fit my mother. I'll just give them to her. Like, they are like cute, but she might want them like for her garden. This is just like decorative. So I think these are just like cheap nothing brand rain boots. So I got excited when I saw them. I was hoping they're Hunter, but they're not. But definitely, you know, Hunter is a bolo item. Yeah, these are just random ones. And then this is the last pair. This is just 9 West. Seem to be in okay condition, but they look small. They're just like these wedges. Black patent wedges. They are a size 6, so not a great size. And they do have some, you know, wear on the bottom. But overall, you know what, not bad. I'm happy I got like a lot of like bigger sizes, and that like everything is like mostly like not damaged, which was an issue in my last box. I'm really happy. I can't really find a lot of good shoes in my area, and they tend to be marked up a lot. Like they're like 14 to like 8 to 14, so it's more economical for me to just buy these boxes. So I'm happy. I'm pretty happy with this box. I think I will make my money back. And I'm happy with the Leffler Randall ones. Those seem to be the best out of everything I got. So hopefully you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.